Hey guys, we'll be back again, Node.js with OSP Pro. Now in this video, simply again, I'm going to show you how can we use actually strings. How can we define a string in CMD using Node.js, and we play around with it. Now I'm just going to make this again simply a brief video. Now I just do the same thing, or just do the same thing within the program. Now declare your variable here. I can declare this one to be my first string, string 1, which string 1 may be same as having maybe how are you YouTubers. Guys, I'm greeting you guys who are there. I'm just saying how are you YouTubers. Now if I end that program a semicolon, just like that, which I told at the beginning, you can either give a semicolon or no. Then if you happen to come and declare your second variable, which is the second string, I call that string 2. I may use single or double, it depends on what you want. I'll just simply say here, and from where are you watching OSP video. I'll just give that to be the second question within my program. That's it. So let me just do that, and then I terminate that. Now remember guys, we have so far defined our two variables within the program, the two strings. The first string, how are you doing YouTubers, or how are YouTubers, and where are you watching OSP videos. And now simply here to call for a string, I can simply say I'm going to use console.log. Since right now guys, as you know, we are basing on the console application, which you have to just define like that and actually end the program, or where you can give a semicolon, or you may not even give a semicolon within the program, and then to ask you how are you YouTubers. Then the next one was actually, is actually having that with the 2. So whereby if I also press here enter, I will say and from where are you watching this video. Now those are two strings. Can we join them now at this case? To join them guys, just type console.log, then come in here and type the first string, which is string 1. To join them, you can just use the plus operator within your program, and then you just happen to come in here and you add the second string. Though we shall be seeing that we'll be having some great challenge within, which they'll join themselves. This is what I mean. They'll join themselves within the program. Can we make the program more clear by giving some difference within here of our program? So we can just do that by actually, let me just do another something different. .log, whereby I store this first string, then you put plus operator for the first one, then give the 2 actually double quotes, then you come here and actually define your second, or put in your second string. Then if you press enter, you'll discover there will be 2 different statements. Now you guys, maybe you're about to ask me, how about if I would like this second statement to be printed on an independent line? Let us also see that here within this console program .log. So remember, we have our first string, which is called string 1. How can I put the other second information on the different independent line? So just come in here, give your double quotes, and inside it give \n, and then enter. So here you can also give the plus, and which actually adding the second string. So what will this statement do? This one will print for us the first string, which is actually how are you YouTubers, and then this second statement will print for us and from where are you watching OSP videos. That's it guys. I think you guys now you can see how you can play around with your C syntax, or what known as the C++ syntax, or the pyramid, how I used to use \n. There's also a tab. Guys, I recommend you guys also to watch those videos of mine of C programming and the C++, which is soon coming in, on how to actually program within, because the same languages change from one to another. So guys, that's how you can play around with the strings in your program. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to OSP video. I love you guys. Don't forget to comment down, share this video, and don't forget to let your friends know about this channel. I love you guys. Thank you.